We found the farm online after much research. It'd been on the market on and off for four and a half years, and we decided to take the leap and take on a project during the pandemic. And in just less than 12 months, we were able to create our dream home. The house was extremely run down. It was heartbreaking to see, actually, and everything needed replacing inside and out. So we needed to find an opportunity where what we did on the outside of the house would give it longevity, that it would look amazing and have that curb appeal, but not have the high maintenance over the years. And Cedral was the answer to all of that. I loved the Cedral website because the pictures were very inspirational, and it made you realise that you can actually transform any property, whether it's an apartment, house, bungalow, anything is possible. And not only that, curb appeal wise, it was great, but it's better insulated, it works so well around the windows, and let's not forget, this is a bungalow that was a rendered house, so we had to work with what was already there. Because I was doing all of my research online and not being able to go anywhere to physically see any products or go into any shops, I got samples sent out, and the difference in the quality was vast. And the reason we loved the black was because often when you see a barn conversion, they are in black. But we didn't want to use real wood because you can see any of those properties close up have a lot of maintenance. Cedral have been absolutely fantastic in dealing with great people on the phone. I then had the area manager take great pride in the project as well, and he actually helped me find the person that was going to do the whole job. I think what's nice also is that Cedral product, you can use it in different ways. You can do it partly on a house, you could do a feature wall, you could do vertically or horizontally, and that was what was nice with this project, is we went a bit off-piste, and at the end of the property we were able to use vertical boards, which just gave it a bit of something different. It wasn't an attractive house. We never drove past this property or these two buildings and thought, wow, that's our dream home. But now I can absolutely hand on my heart say, it's exceeded my expectations. It looks fantastic. And it's funny because before we put our new gates up, locals were driving past and said, have you knocked this down and rebuilt it? They all thought it was new, and no one can believe that underneath the skin of this Cedral cladding is something around 100 years old, and that just gives us so much pleasure to hear that. I'd highly recommend Cedral, 110%. It was a fantastic product to work with. Whenever we had any questions that we needed answering, Damien Liston, the area manager, was right there to come and actually see us on site, just to double check that we're doing things correctly. So that gave us peace of mind with the product. But it's everything I could have dreamed of and more, and we can't thank Cedral enough for giving us our dream home.